gone are the days when you were to watch very closely the line of the ball and, give some respect to the first 3 or 4 overs of a particular bowler. The game has completely changed. But what makes him click in your mind, in your eyes? Why has he been such a big success, Shikhar?
I think because he picks the line of the ball very early, gets into position very, very quickly. And he's not afraid to play shots. I think when he decides to defend the ball, it's only because he's probably just a little bit bored of hitting the ball around.
कली मूर्ख की सारी रात, चतुर की एक कड़ी। आज तक उसकी विनम्रता उसकी खासियत है। वो आज भी मेरे साथ वैसा ही है जैसा 20 साल पहले था। इसीलिए फक्र है मुझे।
Tell us a bit about Ashwin. How would you have dealt with Ashwin and why has been such a great success over the years?
I think the reason he's a great success is the way he has innovated his own bowling. The first time I played with Ashwin was in the Dilip Trophy match, I think in 2007-8 in Bangalore against the Central Zone. Honestly, I never ever thought that Ashwin would go on and play Test cricket for India. He was more of a one-day format type of bowler, but the way he's worked hard on his bowling and game overall, because he's done excellently well even with the bat. And that shows that he's got a smart mind, and it's only because of that, the way he uses his mind to perfection to spin a web on the opposition batsman. I think that's the reason why he has really done well and mostly improving on his game. Yeah.
Well, indeed. First of all, I would like to thank the committee of SIAT International for having given me this honor on this very auspicious yearly awards celebrations. And I would like to congratulate all those winners for having won the awards which they richly deserve.
To know more about your favorite superstars, subscribe to Bollywood Wala now and hit like if you like this story.